Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this healthy strawberry spinach salad with a little bit of honey Thousand Island dressing. Time to make our honey Thousand Island dressing. Add a little bit of red wine vinegar. Then we're gonna add some olive oil, about a tablespoon of olive oil. Then we're gonna add our Thousand Island and a little bit of honey. Now you wanna whisk all four ingredients together until they are fully blended. All right guys, so at this point you wanna add your spinach to a bowl. Then we're gonna top it off with some red onions, a little bit of cranberry raisins, some pecans, cucumber, and some strawberries. After you add all those ingredients, then we're gonna drizzle our homemade honey Thousand Island dressing. This salad is so good, guys. It's vegan friendly, vegetarian, and it's gluten free. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes.